Are you ready to delve into the realm of rapid manifestation? Brace yourself, because what I'm about to reveal is nothing short of astonishing. Picture this: you have a desire, a goal, a dream, and you want it manifested swiftly and effortlessly. Well, hold on to your seats, because I'm about to introduce you to a technique that not only works fast, but also leaves you in awe of its effectiveness. Welcome back, folks, to another enlightening session. Today, we're diving deep into the art of manifesting your desires with unparalleled ease. But before we embark on this transformative journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay tuned for more enlightening content. Now, let me introduce you to the latest marvel from Soothing Megamind, the High Vibrations album. Crafted meticulously with tracks designed to lull your mind into a state of tranquility, amplify your manifestation abilities, and enhance your sleep quality. Imagine having this powerful tool at your fingertips, ready to elevate your manifestation game with just a click. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of rapid manifestation? Dive into the depths of this technique and prepare to witness the incredible power within your grasp. Let's delve into the fascinating technique known as the knot technique, a concept introduced by Neville Goddard that taps into the intricate workings of our subconscious mind. At its core lies the profound understanding that our subconscious does not register the word not. In other words, when we state, "I do not have something," our subconscious mind filters out the negation, leaving behind only the object of our desire. It's akin to the classic example of being told not to think of a pink elephant, inevitably bringing the image of said creature to mind. By employing the knot technique, we bypass the skepticism and apprehensions of our conscious mind, establishing a direct line of communication with the powerhouse responsible for manifesting our desires, the subconscious. Through this method, we affirm our desires from a standpoint of detachment rather than lack. This subtle shift in perspective diminishes resistance and paves the way for our desires to materialize effortlessly and swiftly. Let's illustrate this with an example. Suppose you aim to manifest $10,000. Instead of affirming, "I have $10,000, you would assert, "I do not have $10,000. By framing your affirmation in this manner, your subconscious mind seizes onto the essence of your desire, $10,000, and begins orchestrating its realization. But why does the knot technique yield such remarkable results? The crux lies in the difference between approaching manifestation from a stance of lack versus detachment. When we affirm possession, we inadvertently acknowledge the absence of our desire, instigating resistance. However, by stating the absence of our desire, we cultivate a sense of detachment, freeing ourselves from the grip of resistance. As we relinquish our attachment to the outcome, we create an environment conducive to the swift manifestation of our desires. In essence, the knot technique empowers us to navigate the intricate landscape of our subconscious mind, harnessing its formidable capabilities to manifest our aspirations with unparalleled ease and efficiency. I understand that some of you may have reservations about the knot technique, wondering if it might inadvertently draw attention to what you lack. However, let me assure you that this isn't the case. When you declare, "I do not have something," you're not fixating on the absence of that thing. Instead, you're simply stating a neutral fact. You're not denying your desire, rather, you're adopting a mindset of abundance, recognizing that you already possess all that you need. Interestingly, when you release the need to possess something, it often arrives even more swiftly than anticipated. Have you ever noticed how the things you yearn for intensely seem to take forever to materialize, while those you're less invested in effortlessly find their way to you? This phenomenon occurs because you're not clinging to a specific outcome, thereby minimizing resistance. One of the key reasons the knot technique proves so effective is its ability to shift your focus from scarcity to abundance. When we dwell on what we lack, we operate from a scarcity mindset, hindering our ability to manifest our desires. Conversely, when we concentrate on what we already possess, we emanate gratitude and abundance, magnetically drawing more of what we desire into our lives. Consider this scenario: you aspire to manifest a new job. Rather than affirming, "I have a new job," which might feel disingenuous if you haven't received an offer yet, you can affirm, "I do not have a new job yet." By incorporating the word "yet," you acknowledge the ongoing manifestation process, while reinforcing your belief in its imminent realization. This approach fosters a state of optimistic anticipation and readiness to receive your desired outcome. Another facet of the knot technique involves shifting your focus from the tangible object of desire to the associated feeling. For instance, if your aim is to manifest a romantic partner, instead of affirming, "I have a romantic partner," you can affirm, "I do not have a romantic partner, but I feel loved and supported in my life." By redirecting your focus to the emotional state you wish to cultivate, you create a vibrational resonance for those qualities, thereby inviting them into your life through various avenues. Let me share with you a powerful personal anecdote about the transformative impact of the knot technique. Recently, a close friend of mine found himself in the midst of a challenging financial predicament. Burdened by mounting bills and debts, he was grappling with feelings of overwhelm and scarcity. Recognizing his struggle, I introduced him to the knot technique and elucidated its potential to shift his perspective from lack to abundance. Encouraging him to embrace the affirmation, "I do not have enough money right now, but I am open and receptive to receiving abundance in all forms," I witnessed firsthand the profound effect it had on his life. With steadfast dedication, he incorporated this affirmation into his daily routine. Remarkably, within a matter of weeks, an unexpected windfall arrived in the form of money from a relative who had long desired to repay him. The sum surpassed his expectations, providing ample relief and instilling a newfound sense of financial security. My friend's experience left him astounded by the rapidity and ease with which abundance flowed into his life. By relinquishing his attachment to the need for money and nurturing a belief in abundance, he created a harmonious vibrational alignment with wealth, thereby inviting it into his reality through unforeseen avenues. This tangible manifestation of his desires served as a catalyst for further exploration of the knot technique's potential. Emboldened by his success, my friend now employs the knot technique whenever he encounters obstacles or uncertainties in his financial journey. Each time, he witnesses the tangible impact of his affirmations, propelling him toward his desired outcomes with unwavering faith and conviction. Moreover, he has expanded his application of this technique to manifest other aspirations, such as securing a fulfilling job and fostering meaningful relationships. His journey stands as a poignant testament to the profound efficacy of the knot technique in facilitating the manifestation of our desires with grace and ease. I am deeply grateful to have shared this transformative tool with him, witnessing firsthand the positive ripple effect it has had on his life and the boundless possibilities it continues to unveil. Mastering the knot technique hinges on embracing a mindset of detachment while focusing on your desired manifestations. When affirming, "I do not have it," release any sense of urgency or attachment to the outcome, trusting in the universe's divine timing and delivery method. It's crucial to understand that dwelling on what you lack only amplifies resistance, while gratitude for what you already possess invites abundance into your life. Remember, the power of your mind knows no bounds, and when coupled with the right mindset and techniques, you possess the ability to manifest anything you desire. Cultivate unwavering faith in the universe's ability to orchestrate the fulfillment of your desires at the perfect moment. So, immerse yourself in practicing the knot technique, relinquishing the neediness surrounding your desires. Redirect your focus to gratitude for the abundance already present in your life, fostering a vibrational resonance that attracts even more abundance. Always keep in mind that you hold the key to creating the life of your dreams. If you resonated with the wisdom shared in this content and found it beneficial, I encourage you to show your support by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your circle. For more insightful content like this, subscribe to our channel and activate notifications to stay updated on our latest offerings. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, may your journey be filled with manifestation and abundance.